Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a revision timetable on Notion. First, open Notion and create a new page. Name it something clear, like Revision Timetable. Next, select a database view, such as a table or calendar, to organize your study sessions. Then, add properties like subject, topic, date, and status to your database. This initial setup provides a strong foundation for your personalized study plan. Now, let's design your schedule. Populate your database with all the subjects and topics you need to revise. Assign a realistic duration for each study block, perhaps 45 minutes to 1 hour. Crucially, allocate specific dates and times for these sessions within your Notion calendar or table. Remember to schedule short, 5 to 10-minute breaks between study periods to help prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. To make your timetable even more powerful, use Notion's features. Add a tags property to categorize subjects or mark their priority, like high or low. Set reminders for your study sessions directly within Notion, ensuring you never miss a planned review. Update the status property to not started in progress or completed to visually track your achievements and see what's left. Finally, maintaining your revision plan is key. Regularly review your Notion timetable to assess its effectiveness and make sure it still aligns with your learning pace. Don't hesitate to adjust study blocks or durations if you find certain topics require more or less time. Always prioritize those challenging subjects, dedicating extra focused attention to them to ensure comprehensive understanding before your exams.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.